about a year ago, I set out on the road, seeking my fame and fortune, looking for a pot of gold. Things got bad and things got worse, I guess you will know the tune. Oh Lord, stuck in Lodi again. Rode in on the Greyhound, I'll be walking out if I go. I was just passing through, must be 7 months or more. Ran out of time and money, looks like they took my friends. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. Man from the magazine said I was on my way. Somewhere I lost connections, I ran out of songs to play. I came into town a one-night stand, it looks like my plans fell through. Oh Lord, stuck in Lodi again. If I only had $1 for every song I've sung, every time I had to play while people said they're drunk, you know I'd catch the next train back to where I live. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi